What's going on, guys? Geneva9 back at you again today. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the lighting in your garage and make it 10 times brighter than your current setup right now. I'm going to be showing you how to change the lighting into this, to this. Stay tuned. Thank you for tuning in once again to my channel. If you're new to my channel, consider hitting the subscribe button below because I have a lot of great content coming up and I have new videos weekly showing you car fixes, improvements in your garage like these, and other types of projects. And again, if you find this video very helpful at the end or right now, consider hitting that like button down below so you can support your boy, and it greatly supports the channel as well. So if you guys haven't noticed, I do some of my filming inside my garage, and as you can see, it is not well lit and it's very dim when I do my videos. I have a subscriber and also an IG follower. Follow me on my IG, by the way, Geneva9. CRD Chris. I like to dedicate this video to him because he's the one who referred me to this product that I'm about to show you. Follow him on his IG. He's a pro detailer and he has these lights in his shop. So he recommended me this product. So he recommended me these Bremerton LED T5 integrated fixtures. It comes with a 3-year warranty. Basically, they're LED lights, guys. They come in a pack of 6 fixtures, and again, they are integrated, and you can pretty much daisy chain them and link them all together. And they also come with their own switches if you choose to light them up separately, or if you choose to daisy chain them right here. So these lights are 65K super bright white. They are 20 watts and they're pretty much just plug and play. They're very easy. You can mount them anywhere in your garage. You can mount them on your wall, you can mount them on the top, on the ceiling, the sides, anywhere pretty much. So I figured I'm gonna go try these lights out. They're fairly cheap. They're only $40, guys, and I'll leave the link down below on the description if you guys are interested in getting these lights yourselves. This is actually my first time trying these out, so we're gonna be both going through this product right now at the same time, and let's review how it turns out at the end. Right now I'm using these 2 lights right here. I got one there, it's like a yellowish 25K, and then I got this LED over here that's kind of 6K-ish. As you can see, I don't even have lights on the rest, about 2/3 of my garage. These LED lights are fairly light. Up there, I am currently running some incandescent lighting. I got 2 of them, and I'm no light expert, but I do know some information on incandescent lighting, that they do consume more power than LED. I believe that LED consumes 75% less energy than incandescent lighting. Also, LED lights last longer than incandescent lights. And something really to consider when doing your garage lighting, because you can probably run this throughout the whole year and only spend a few bucks, rather than running your incandescent lighting and spend a lot more on your energy bill. These lights are 46 inches in length. Consider where your outlet's gonna be. That's where pretty much I'm gonna be hooking these lights up. So arrange your lighting accordingly so that you don't run short on your cord. So the length of the cord is about 5 feet, guys. So yeah, you're looking at 19 inches for the daisy chain cord right here. So you can space them out to be safe, 18 inches apart from end to end, and you'll see that in a minute. Super light fixture right here, aluminum backing right here on the back, and you have your connectors on each end, one right there and also one on the other end. So yeah, that's how you pretty much connect them into series. I'm gonna run it horizontal wise on top of my ceiling right there. Cover more space, or cover more area if you run it this way. So here are the hardware that it comes with. It comes with 2 screws, 2 of the mounts. You got a cap just in case you don't want to do it, you want to end your series. There's a cap right there, and also an extra connector as well. I got the first light hooked up. It was fairly easy to put those two brackets on. They just pretty much screwed to the drywall. So I'm running it vertical wise of my garage because yeah, I want to have it cover as much area with as much lights needed. Got it all plugged in, and let's check out how bright these bad boys are. So wow, now these are bright. From standing nearby, you can tell my old lighting compared to the new 65K lighting. Check out the difference, guys, on that yellow compared to the 65K. That's probably around like 25. Check out the difference on that side to that. So given on my garage I have this support beam, so I have to deal with this issue with the light not going to this side. So I'll probably go and put these lights on that side too. This is only one light fixture, guys. Imagine 6 more of these on top of my ceiling. This is gonna be super bright, and you could already tell that one fixture almost illuminates my whole garage already. What more with 6 lightings? Check it out, guys. I got 4 of these lights installed already. As you can see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I got 2 lights left. I'm probably just gonna skip out on that because I tried it already and it's super bright already in this area. So I kind of want to save the 2 lights and exchange these 2 out right here, these 2 small ones. These lights comes with a hard wire connector, so you can pretty much wire this to your main power and use it as a light switch pretty much. So which is pretty cool. So you guys want to see the update on how it looks like right now? Check it out. So you guys ready? Wow. Now that is only 4 strips of lighting, guys, and check out how bright it is already inside this garage. So I'm going to change out these 2 and hardwire it, and yeah, probably later on I'm going to add 2 more there and 2 more in the middle, but it is super bright already in here, guys. Much better from what it is before, and I'll show you guys the before and after video later on. What I'm gonna do now is change this one. So what I did here is I actually took out my old light fixture and I hardwired it to this one with the connector, and I plugged it in, and now I'm gonna do the same thing on that side. So now that I know it works, I'm gonna go mount it up now, and I'm gonna do the other side. So guys, I'm done with the installation. I got the 2 hardwired and the rest on the plug. It turned out really well, guys. Check out the before and after. It's a big game changer. You can see the total difference, guys, from the before and after that I showed you. But this was so easy to install. It took about less than an hour to do the hard wiring, just connecting each one of these. Given that part, I need to put more lights there. It's a little dim over there compared to the rest, but the rest of my garage is super well lit. This is a really great deal for only $40 worth of lighting, which you get 6 light fixtures. That is really not bad. But again, if you guys want to know where I got these lights, I'll leave the link down below. Check out that link and get yourselves a pair of these, because this will definitely change the lighting in your garage, as you can see right behind me, guys. I do a lot of videoing in here in my garage, especially when you guys see my tutorials on my Evo, the updates on my Evo. It's very well illuminated here, and you guys won't be watching me film in the dark anymore. This pretty much is detailing lights. If you want to go do some detailing on your car, these are the perfect lighting, guys. I'm gonna even plan to put some lights on the wall so that when I'm videoing the sides or working on the sides of my car, you guys will be able to see it perfectly. So stay tuned for that. So again, guys, if you found this video super helpful and if you found these lightings like amazing, please support your boy. Hit that like button down below so you can help out the channel. And also, guys, if you like these kind of content, leave in the comment section below if you like these kind of type of contents, garage improvements, obviously car improvements. Leave it in the description down below. Alright, guys, and most especially, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can always be in tune of what's going on with my channel. Alright, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. You guys have a good day and stay illuminated. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.